The drip schedule is something that's important to know if you don't want all of your lessons to be available at once. In that case, you can drip them out. Enabling drip will create a new navigation menu tab. Let's save and open that. Up here is the drip schedule tab. We've already saved, so let's continue. Create a drip schedule. You have the flexibility to choose a different drip type. And then if you click on each chapter over here, you can enter the drip schedule for each lesson based on the drip type you've selected. Let's add 1 and 2. Save. Now, if you want to rework this, the easy way to do so is to go back to drip type. If you select another drip type and save, you'll get this notification that doing so will clear out your course's schedule. And if that's what you want, to be able to redo and rework this, that's the easy way to clear those out. Finally, to remove the drip schedule and make your course lessons available all at once, click Delete on drip type. Again, Thinkific will prompt you. Let's select OK. Then go back to Settings, Drip Schedule, and then we can toggle Enable Drip Schedule. And if we save, we should watch this tab disappear.